Hello, I'm Amy Willard, Director and Career Coach in the Office of Personal and Career Development, the OPCD. We are excited and honored you chose to make Wake Forest your college home. We are here for you no matter where you are on your career journey and whether you have it all figured out or exploring the options. I'm going to briefly review Handshake and walk you through some of our great website resources to get you started. You have already been introduced to Handshake and started your profile creation and Handshake module. Here are a few extra pointers to get started with the system and utilize its power for you. On the home page, you'll click Students, scroll down and click on Tools, then click on Access Handshake Now. You'll want to complete your career interests and review your career interests and select all that apply to what you might want to pursue after college. This will allow you to receive tailored emails and updates according to your preferences. Additionally, the system posts the most relevant opportunities at the top of your feed, aligning with the career interests you select and the search filters you create. The more you utilize the system, the better the results you'll receive. Second, I recommend that you register for events. You need to do this early and often as they relate to your interest. This is the best way to continue to develop your skills and build your network with organizations who want to hire Wake Forest talent. And having a complete profile is really important and vital for having access to employer events, and it will be required to have a complete profile that is made public so employers can view it as well. You can also upload your resume to participate in campus recruiting by attending employer events such as info sessions and the career fair, so be sure to review and complete your Handshake profile and make it public in order to participate in employer events and build your network. Not only does the OPCD have a robust and powerful system in Handshake, we have a plethora of resources available at your fingertips on our website. For career exploration, click on Students, then Explore Careers. You will see a list of possible career industries that many Wake Forest students pursue. However, it's not an exhaustive list. Wake Forest students have developed paths that combine these careers, as well as created their own unique career path. No matter your major, the skill sets you gain at Wake Forest allow you to pursue a wide range of career opportunities. You have the resources to explore all possibilities, from searching specific careers through our website, meeting with a career coach, utilizing the online resources with the ZSR, as well as taking a college to career course. You have our support to design a career aligned with your values, skills, and interests. Perhaps you're seeking grad school as a post-grad option. On the home page, scroll down and click on Explore Grad School. We have resources to help you in the search, application, and interview process. Each academic department has their own grad school advisor, and Peterson's is a great tool to search for programs of interest. Each program has their own set of admissions requirements, so it's important to review the program site for specific information and deadlines. We can also assist you with reviewing your resume, crafting your personal statement, and practicing your interview for whatever track you choose. Additionally, we have specialized resources for pre-health and pre-law, as well as a great list of Wake Forest grad programs. For resumes, you want to click on Build a Resume. The resume is one of the first steps you can take to move from college to career. When you find an opportunity that excites or energizes you, you want to be ready to be the first in line to apply. You don't want to scramble, worry, or wonder if your professional tools are ready. We want you building a resume or refining the one you have in such a way that we fully leverage your experiences to land opportunities you want. We have templates and resources to help craft a strong resume to apply to opportunities with confidence. You don't have to have a resume to meet with a career coach. We help students from getting started on building a resume to refining the current document they have. Here are some resume resources. A step-by-step what is a resume and how to think about what to write. The all-important accomplishment statements, making those strong with strong action verbs with a couple of examples, as well as some guidelines such as keeping it to one page, font size, and a wonderful list of action verbs, as well as layouts. Once you have completed and refined your resume, you'll be ready to search for an internship. For internship search tools, scroll down and click on Find an Internship. An internship is the best way to gain real-world experience in a career field of your interest. With an internship, you can determine if a career field is a good fit for you. You'll learn things about the industry and job functions that cannot be taught. Some internships lead to a full-time position within the same organization. An internship looks amazing on a resume and will give you material to reference during an interview for a full-time position. Here are some of our internship search resources. Handshake is the best resource to begin your search. Employers looking for Wake talent post opportunities on the site, making the applicant pool smaller. And they hire Wake Forest students. However, not every employer posts positions on Handshake. So you may need to expand your search to other great sources such as LinkedIn, as well as Idealist for nonprofit listings or Going Global for international opportunities. Once you've applied to internships or grad school programs, or even before, we highly recommend that you practice interviewing. To find these resources, scroll down and click on Interview Effectively. An interview with an employer or grad school is not the time to wing it. You need to be well prepared and able to deliver your narrative of how your skills and experiences align with the employer's and grad school program's needs. The interview is a two-way process. You are interviewing them just as much as they are interviewing you, and you want to be prepared for the types of questions that they're going to ask you, as well as what questions you'll ask them. We have resources to help guide your preparation for general, behavioral, and case questions, as well as format for live or virtual. We encourage you to schedule a mock interview, as well as utilizing our interview prep resource, an online virtual practice platform where you can custom create interviews for a variety of industries. Whether you have it all figured out or getting started, we are here for you, no matter where you are. Get started early, request an appointment with a career coach on Handshake, and check out the OPCD resources on opcd.wfu.edu. We look forward to meeting with you to begin your college to career journey at Wake Forest.